everyone, and this is Fizza from Fizzielts. Hello everyone, this is Fizza from Fizzielts. I am back again with another video of map based question. As you guys know, in your listening module of IELTS examination, you will be given one map based question in section B or section C. So today we will solve this map based question and we will see how we can easily solve these map based questions by using appropriate methods. Let's begin. So always remember, whenever the audio will be played, first you need to read the questions. Okay, you need to read the signpost. Like here you can see water cooler is written, or double doors, foyer, entrance. Here the main point to notice is there are two entrances, and then finally this one. Okay, so always do remember that whenever the audio will be started in any of the map based question, they will ever start with some entrance, or there will be some point X or some gate will be there. From there only the audio will start every time. It will never happen that they will go to certain point, for example point C, and then they will begin the audio again from point C. No, it's not going to happen. From every time the audio will be played from entrance itself. Now we will solve this type of questions. Now I am going to play the audio and you guys have to answer along with me. Let's begin.
Now, a word about the layout of the building. The auditorium, stage and dressing rooms for the actors are all below ground level. Here on the ground floor, we have most of the rooms that the public doesn't see. The majority are internal, so they have windows in the roof to light them. Standing here in the foyer, you're probably wondering why the box office isn't here, where the public would expect to find it. Well, you might have noticed it on your way in. Although it's part of this building, it's next door, with a separate entrance from the road. For the theatre manager's office, you go across the foyer and through the double door.
Okay, so for this what they are saying, that it is not on the main entrance but another one. So you guys can see this one, this is the main entrance, but there is another entrance given, so the answer for this one will be G. Yes, the answer is correct, that is G. Let's move to the next one now.
It's next door, with a separate entrance from the road. For the theatre manager's office, you go across the foyer and through the double doors. Turn right, and it's the room at the end of the corridor, with the door on the left. The lighting box is where the...
Okay, so for this type of question, always assume yourself that you are standing at that point. For instance, they are saying here that just cross the double door. You just assume yourself you are standing, and then they are saying turn right. Okay, you are standing here at this point. आप लोग यहाँ पे खड़े हो. अब now see, this is your right hand. Okay, so this is your right, you will turn like this. And then they are saying that at the end and left, so you just go like this, just assume you are going here, and then your left is here. So the answer for this one will be D. Yes, D will be the correct answer. Next.
Computerized stage lighting is operated, and it's at the back of the building. When you're through the double doors, turn left, turn right at the water cooler, and right again at the end. It's the second room along that corridor. The lighting box has a window into the auditorium, which...
Okay, so you must have followed the direction. First you have to move from the double door, then you can see this is your left hand, you will move like this, then again right, this is your right hand, you will go up, and again right, you will go like this, and finally you will come to the last door, that will be B. B will be the correct answer.
Courses below us. The artistic director's office is through the double doors, turn right, and it's the first room you come to on the right-hand side. And finally, for the moment, the room where I'll take you next, the relaxation room.
Okay, so we got all the answers now. This is how we have to do. For the F1, they are simply saying that you need to cross the double door, then you have to move right and again right. So right, you can see here this one and this one. Okay, so this will be the answer for. Okay, so this is really easy to solve map based questions. Okay, आई होप आज सबको समझ में आया होगा. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टुडे. विल मीट यू विद अनदर टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. थैंक यू.